120 million naira, and you can get this 4-bedroom duplex with a BQ, a swimming pool, and also a gym. And that's not all. It also has its own separate borehole and water treatment. Beautiful people, welcome to my channel. And today we will be touring this property that is located inside a very secured estate right here in Sangotedo, Lekki, Lagos, very close to the Lekki Ekpe Expressway. It is quite accessible. The road is interlocked, and it is also very close to the Abraham Adesanya roundabout. We as well have other notable landmarks here, like the ShopRite Novare Mall. We have Sky Mall, we have Blanco Supermarket, good schools, religious centers. According to your preferences, this is definitely the place for you, especially if you're out there looking out for affordable homes. Now, the room sizes are spacious enough. In a couple of seconds, I'll flip this camera. I'll give you a glimpse of what the neighborhood looks like. So I'm not just showing you the interior alone. No, you see what the neighborhood looks like so that you get to see it is habitable. Then we'll also go inside to take a tour around a detailed tour around the property. But before we get into that, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. It is such a delight to have you here. My name is Victoria Chizabaduraku, and I have a beautiful family here on YouTube that we're all growing together, and we would love you to be part of us. So as you're watching this video, please take this moment to hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video here. We're very intentional with genuine properties. So what I'm literally saying is that you are safe here with us. And if also maybe this doesn't fit into what you want a land or a different kind of house, we also have them at different locations, and some of them come with long-term payment plans. So you can as well reach out to us for your other real estate demands, and we'll definitely get you something very credible. Now, having done that, please be my guest as I flip this camera and we take a tour around this 4-bedroom duplex while I give you more information about it. Welcome back, beautiful people. Now, this is where we have the terrace duplexes selling. But let me give you a quick view at what the neighborhood looks like so you get to see that it is habitable. All right, now to my left hand side leads you to the Lekki Ekpe Expressway, and from this estate to the Lekki Ekpe Expressway is not more than a minute drive, just 1 minute. So you see it is accessible. Okay, so let's go in. Now, before we begin to explore, I'd like to show you. I told you the water is treated, so you get to see that the water is clean. Okay, so you see the water is clean. For those of us who are always saying, who are afraid of the island water, as they call it, so the water here is clean. Right here is where we have the security house, right here. And to this angle is where we have the swimming pool. And I like the fact that there's a barricade just by the swimming pool to ensure safety, especially for kids, to prevent them from just coming here. Okay, so this is the size of the swimming pool, and this is a big swimming pool. It's not those ones that we call fish pond. So you see the size of it, and you can walk just by the side of the swimming pool. All right, and then this is the generator house. This is designated for the generator house, and right behind it, that door right there is designated for the gym. Okay, so let's begin to explore. I'll be going into one of the units to give you a detailed tour of the interior. So we have how many units in the compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 units, 4 on this row, 4 terraces on this row, and then 5 terraces on the ones opposite it. Some of the units are sold already, so it's not like we have all of them available. So if you like what you see, if you're out looking for affordable properties, kindly contact me on this number immediately before they all get sold out. So let's just see. Let's walk to the back of this unit and then we'll go inside. Okay. Okay, so let's go inside. Now the compound, the parking space can take nothing more than two cars. Only two cars can fit into it. And then each unit has a tap just right outside of it. So this is the unit we're inspecting. Then let me show you a better view of the terrace. So this is a view of it, what it looks like. Okay, let's go in. Remember I said each unit has its own borehole and then the water is treated. Obviously, I just showed you that the water is treated. 120 million naira and you can get this four-bedroom. Now, I've seen several houses for this price within this location, and most of them are not as spacious as what this house offers. See the living area. It is spacious. I've seen houses, trust me. So when I tell you that this one is spacious, take it from me. And then the guest toilet over here. So to this angle is where we have the, wow, see the size of the guest room. See the size of the guest room. See, my goodness, this is the size of this guest room is literally the size of the regular rooms for houses that I inspect. And that's what you have here as guest room. This developer has a special place in heaven. See the size of the guest room. This is very amazing. If you are out looking for affordable properties, this one will not stay in the market for too long. Oh, trust me. Accessibility, size of the rooms, this will not stay too long in the market. And this 120 million naira, we can have a slight negotiation on the price. That's why you have me here. We'll negotiate it. Just a slight negotiation, though. See the size of the kitchen. You see, you have enough space to move around. This house is good. It is good. You can see there's also a pantry here. There's a space for storage. You see. Microwave oven, gas burner, extractor, a heater here. We have the sink here. This is the space for your washing machine. And then we have this kitchen island right here. And this leads you to the back of the house. Okay, this is the BQ. Goodness, this BQ comes with a wardrobe. Oh my God. I am amazed because literally all of the houses, even the luxurious houses we sell for hundreds of millions of naira, they do not come with wardrobe in the BQ. And it is not always this spacious, but this one comes with a wardrobe. You can still fit a student size bed here and you still have the space. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See now, see size of toilet and bath for BQ. Oh God. Please don't sleep on this offer. I am adding please to it because it's been a long time I saw a house like this. See the back of the house, a terrace for that matter. See, if all of these are just downstairs here, I can imagine what we have upstairs. Okay, let's keep going. I really love what I am seeing. I really love what I am seeing. And then the staircase is spacious enough. Two people can literally climb through the staircase at the same time. This house is good for this price. I am emphasizing it because, pardon me, I see lots of properties every day, and I know what I see for this price. So if I see this one and I am so amazed, then you should know it is a good house. This is a family lounge right here. Okay, there's a chandelier right here. And then we have some lights here. So this is room two. We've seen one room downstairs, also spacious. See, please just call my number immediately and schedule inspection and come and see this house for yourself. Toilet and bath. Okay. Then room three. Now, for those who are not very familiar with this axis, I like to give a description so you get to know where it is. So if you're coming from the Lekki axis, after Chevron, you get to Orchid. After Orchid is Ikota. After Ikota is VGC. After VGC is Ajah. Then Sangotedo. And this one is not even all the way down Sangotedo. No, it's very close to Ajah, very close to that um, Abraham Adesoya. So it's not all the way down Sangotedo. All right, this is the last room, which is the master's bedroom. Okay, let's stay here. I need to close this door so you see the full size very well. All right, so I can get it now. See, see, see the size of the master's bedroom for 120 million. Some of the luxurious houses I sell, or say those houses for 180 million naira. And this is the size of their master's bedroom. And you're getting this one, this spacious, for 120 million naira. Oh yeah, start calling my number. Start calling my number. I don't know when next I'll get a good house like this. Okay. And then toilet and bath here. Bathtub, working chair, so the size of it. All right, so this is what we have here, 4-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ, spacious and affordable 4-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ, selling for 120 million naira. The price is slightly negotiable, located inside a very secured estate, just by Abraham Adesoya axis, with the title of Governor's Consent, also has its building approval available. Thank you for watching this video till the end. It has been such a pleasure gracing your screen. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do not leave without subscribing so you don't miss out on our subsequent updates. And remember, like I said, if this doesn't fit into what you want and you want something different, either a land or a different house, even with payment plan, long-term payment plan, we have them at different locations. Just give us a call. Till I come your way next time, my name is Victoria Chizobaduraku, and it has been such a pleasure doing this with you. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. I love this house. You can tell how excited I am. All right, bye.